Hey, welcome back to the Built for the Trades podcast. This is your host, Dan Dowdy, and founder of Built for the Trades, where we're all about helping leaders grow their business through not only growing their leadership, because we know that leadership is influence, but also helping the people around them grow so that way they can take ownership, make decisions, and start to operate independently of the owner. Who wouldn't want a self-operating business that is scalable and profitable? I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty awesome, and that's what we do here at Built for the Trade. So if that's you and you're a trades business owner, you're a manager, or you're just somebody looking to better their leadership, you came to the right podcast. Today I'm going to talk all about unlocking your business potential through a trades business mastermind. The first time I heard the concept of the trades business or any kind of mastermind group was in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. If you haven't read that book, I really encourage you. It's one of those timeless books that you can read year in and year out and get new nuggets from it. But Napoleon Hill talks about people like Henry Ford and Thomas Edison meeting together and just sharing advice, holding each other accountable, sharing stories, and just growing with the whole idea that you are the sum of the 5 people that you hang around. So imagine hanging around 5 or more successful trades business owners that are either as successful or more successful than you. So in this podcast, I'm going to share a few examples. I'm going to talk through a few steps, and I'm going to explain the difference between joining a mastermind group and then hiring a business coach to help you grow your business. So the challenge is that anybody that owns a trades business, at some point we're going to feel stuck. We're going to feel overwhelmed by the daily operations. We're going to hit growth plateaus, have lack of clarity. Mastermind groups will help you work through all those different things because you're going to be collaborating with other people who can relate to what you're going through. They either are going through it with you or have gone through it before, and they can share advice to help you get through that. So I'm going to talk through a few different areas as we dive into this mastermind concept. But as we get started, I want to give a shout out to our podcast sponsor, Project to Payment. If you're looking to go from pen and paper to online estimating and invoicing for your trades business, click the link below and you can get your first 3 months free through this Built for the Trades sponsorship. So the key concept, let's talk about what is a mastermind. In order to understand what is a mastermind, we got to understand what is coaching. So, hiring a business coach, it's going to be tailored specifically to your business. That coach is going to help encourage you, hold you accountable, and really ask you questions so that you can discover what the next steps are that you need to do and take ownership of those steps. Mastermind groups is more about your peers. As a facilitator of a mastermind group here at Built for the Trades, I just ensure that we start and end on time. We have a good agenda, we follow that agenda, and everybody gets a chance to talk. That is my job. It's more about the people in the room sharing the advice. And so when you think about, a mastermind group, it is a group of like-minded trades business owners or leaders that are going through very similar things. We're looking to collaborate, problem solve, grow together. And in doing this, we're going to leverage, collective experience and knowledge, share best practices, strategies and challenges. So the first area I want to focus on is really just introducing you to the masterminds and what it looks like to mastermind in the trades. Number 2, some of the benefits of joining a business mastermind is actionable insights. So you can gain practical advice tailored specifically to your trades industry. You can get answers to tough questions and complex challenges. And guess what? It's not just business. Sometimes there's personal things that we go through that we need advice on. And that is definitely there for sure. The other benefits is that everybody in the room that are there, we all sign non-disclosure agreements saying that whatever is said there stays there. Early on, when I started Built for the Trades, I joined my first mastermind group about 2 years before starting. That mastermind group I'm still with today, and they were so influential in helping me simplify and take action towards growing my own coaching community and Built for the Trades. And I have a lot to credit to those men because I just surrounded myself with, and not everybody in there was a coach, but they were all business owners of some sort. And I just surrounded myself with good men who also own businesses, who share similar values, and wanted nothing but my success as I grew my business. So let's talk about how to get started with the Trades Business Mastermind. The first thing you want to do is find the right mastermind group for you. Look for groups that match your business goals, your values. Ensure there's balance and experience and diverse perspectives. Figure out how often you want to meet. Some mastermind groups meet weekly, some meet bi-weekly, some may actually meet monthly. And then you got to really commit to growth. If you come to a mastermind group expecting to get every week, you're really not going to feel the value versus if you come to a mastermind group expecting to give every week. You got to show up with the heart of giving. Sometimes we feel like we don't have a whole lot to give, but whenever we show up with the heart of giving, that's usually when we end up getting more than we give because our heart was in the right place. So some of the key takeaways in today's podcast is first, just realize that mastermind groups will help you grow through plateaus, grow through that overwhelmed feeling, help you take your trades business to the next level, because we know that collaborating and surrounding yourself with other men or women who are trying to grow the same thing, the same trades businesses, they share the same values. You are some of the 5 people you hang around, so you will naturally grow by progression. If you want to learn more about Built for the Trades, we do offer mastermind groups here. We would love for you to reach out. We can set up a 30-minute conversation to kind of figure out what your business goals are and to tell you more about what we offer here at Built for the Trades. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this podcast with somebody that you know that may benefit from a trades business mastermind. And hopefully you got something out of this podcast, and I will see you in the next episode.